Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm here to say you about that how your car is protected, how the alarm system of a particular car protects itself. But before that, I want to say you why you should know this, because your relatives or friends has got a car, and you should know this because in the last part of this video I would say you the main thing that now how you should protect your car, and you should leave the previous way of protecting your car. So let's start. Basically friends, there are some of the basic things if you say about the car alarm system, which is there is an auxiliary battery, there is a main control unit which is known as the brain of the alarm system, then there you get some of the sensors, sirens. These are the things that consist of the car alarm system, but the main thing here is the auxiliary battery and the brain. The auxiliary battery, this battery is used when thieves try to cut the control of your main battery, and if this main battery's control is cut off, the circuit is cut off, then your alarm system should get a support battery and this auxiliary battery then keeps up. And the main thing, the most prominent thing is the brain, which does all the part of the alarm. Now let us take part by part. First of all, how it protects your door. If intruders want to unlock your door or break the door lock, how it protects. You are quite familiar with the thing that open circuit and closed circuit. When you open a door of a fridge, then it lights up, but when you close it, it's again lights down. Now same system is installed in your car. When the door is open, the light is on, and when it is closed, again it gets off. Now there is always a voltage, particular voltage when the door is closed and the alarm system is on. Now when this door is opened or the lock is broken and the door is open, the lights up and there is a certain voltage fall, and when there is a voltage fall, the alarm system triggers, the brain triggers the siren and headlights to just lights on, and then you get to know that someone has broken the lock. But now it's a previous method, it's a traditional method, and now people don't depend only in such thing. Now what people does is that there is a certain place, certain box like thing, and in it there is a ball, and the box is totally an electric ball, and the ball when it strikes hold the ball, it rotates in hold the boxes and gives electric connection to various circuits which is connected with the ball. Now what happens is that when these balls, when the door is opened, or someone tilts your car, or someone wants to take your car, or there is certain shocks, the ball moves through the box and there is missing electric circuits. Since the ball should be connected, now when the ball moves, there is a certain electric circuit missing, there is a breakdown in the electric circuit, and the main unit don't get the current. Then the main unit again understand that someone is trying to take your car or break into your car, or if someone is tilting the car. Like this system, door is protected. Now always thieves don't go after unlocking your door or breaking the lock. They sometimes burst your windows. Now how your windows will be protected? Remember that when the windows are closed, when the windows are up and the doors are closed, there is a certain level of pressure in the car maintained. Now when a window is busted, then there is a certain pressure level, fall in pressure level, okay, or increase in pressure level when air comes in, so to maintain it from the outside. Therefore when there is an increase or decrease in pressure level, the alarm system again triggers itself. Along with that, to give a plus protection, what happens, there is also a microphone given which knows when window is busted how it sounds, and therefore when window is busted, it triggers the alarm again, the microphone. Now the third thing, if someone don't breaks your windows, don't break your lock, just want to tow your car and take it away, they bring a crane and tow your car and take it away. Now how your car will, alarm system will protect itself. Now what happens, there is a similar box, but now in it there is Mercury Ball. Now for those who don't know, mercury is a liquid, but it conducts electricity. Now what happens, when there is in this metal box, there are two wires. One goes through your cylinder and to the main brain of the alarm system, and another is a short wire. Now what happens, the mercury ball is always stays connected with that wire which goes through your brain system. But when your car is tilted, the mercury comes into one side and it breaks the connection with the other side. Now there is a circuit breakdown and the mercury ball is not staying connected with that other part of the circuit. There is a circuit breakdown. Again your alarm system understands it and it triggers the alarm. But nowadays hackers went so advanced that they take the control of the brain of the alarm system and they completely deactivate that, which renders all the other security simply void. Now what happens? Therefore our technology is developed which is known as the engine immobilizer. Now what is engine immobilizer? Therefore I have saying you in the starting of the video that you should look the last part of the video especially. Now people are not installing this alarm system but they are installing this engine immobilizer. Engine immobilizer is a key. Now what happens? If your key is numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is a security code. You can't see it but it's installed in your key and this same code is installed in the engine part. Now until this key matches with the engine part, engine main unit control system, the car will not start. The engine will not ignite, the fuel will not be released and therefore only the car can be ignited and started by only your key only. So this technology is used nowadays. So I hope you really like this video and it was really helpful for you. And if you like this video then please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and do comment if you want to say something. Thanks for watching.